So children, today we are going to discuss quadrilaterals. Okay, 8.1 exercise, 9th class, CBSE. So children, today I am discussing 9th question in 8.1 exercise. 9th question. What is 9th question? See, children, 9th question is given like this. Okay, children, 9th question is given like this, children. Um, this is given like this. This is given like this. This is given like this. Okay, and this is given like this. This is given like this. Let's go for the labeling, children. Very interesting sum, children. A, B, C. This is B, children. This is B, and this is D, and this is P, and this is Q, children. Okay, so this is diagram given. What is the given? Given condition. What is the, they said ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. What are the parallelogram given, children? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, opposite sides are parallel. I hope you know. Do you remember, children? In 8th class we studied opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel, and opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. Again, I'm saying opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, and adjacent sides are supplementary in parallelogram. Don't worry, children. I write again and again. You will understand. Next one, and he said BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. Means this BP is equal to BQ, he said, children. Okay, and what else required to prove? Children, required to prove, please concentrate, don't write, all of you concentrate, later you can copy. APD is congruent to CQB. APD, this triangle is equal to this triangle, we have to prove. Second one, AP is equal to CQ, that you will get by CPCT, children. Third one, AQB is congruent to CPD. AQB, this is congruent to this triangle, and by CPCT you will get AQ is equal to CP, and internally they are also asking to prove that APCQ, internal one also parallelogram, is asking to prove. Okay, children, if you understand first one, second is same, children. First how you prove, second also same you will prove. Easy, children, very easy. No need to panic, children. Just concentrate. That's only concentration. So children, proof. I want to take these two triangles. I'm writing here in APD and BQC. Very easy, children. Very easy. What I will write means the first one, AC AD is equal to BC. Why, anyone? AD is equal to BC.
In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Simple, children. Now get your obvious. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2.
Interior alternate angles equal.
Interior alternate angles of AD parallel to BC. Children, these both are parallel now. So 1 and 2 will become alternate angles. These both are parallel now. You should mention which are parallel. If you don't mention which are parallel, I won't give marks. And last one, BQ is equal to DP. Why, children? Anyone?
Diagonals bisect each other.
No, they gave. That is given. They are not. Okay, children. DP is equal to BQ, children. They have given that. DP is equal to BQ. They have given. Yes, say yes. By yes, say yes, congruency, children. By side angle side. Side angle side. Side angle side. What is congruent, children? APD is congruent to BQC. By CPCT, if these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT, what we can say? AP is equal to QC. All sides are equal, all angles are equal. That's all, children. If you understood this, next time also same, children. If you understood this, I hope everyone understood this. I hope. Okay, those who did not understand really, then we'll go for this two also, children. Those who didn't understand, then I will do that one also. Please see here, children. I will do easy here so that you will understand. Okay, those who didn't understand. In AQP and what are they? CPD. What I will write in AQB and CPD. Don't copy, children. First you listen. Okay. AB is equal to CD. Why, children?
Opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. If you don't write this condition, no marks in the exam. Children, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why, children?
Interior alternate angles.
Interior alternate angles of AB
A
parallel to CD.
parallel to CD.
If you don't write this one, children, I won't give marks. And children, BQ is equal to DP. They only give.
Given.
BQ is equal to DP. They only give given by side angle side. Yes, say yes. By SAS, what we can write, children? AQB is congruent to CPD. What we can write? AQB is congruent to CPD. If they are congruent, these two triangles are congruent. Can anyone say by CPCD what we can write, children? By CPCD, what we can write, children? AQ is equal to CP.
AQ.
AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. Okay, children? Over. That's all, children. Now, last proof. Children, try to understand. When we are proving these two, we proved that these both sides are equal by CPCD. When proving this one, we proved that these both sides are equal here by CPCD. This sides are equal, this sides are equal. As opposite sides are equal, APCQ is a parallelogram. That's all. Then you will get doubt. What doubt means, sir, in rectangle also they are equal? No, sir. Children, if rectangles they ask to prove, then we have to prove that they are 90 degrees also. Individually, each one 90 degrees also we should prove. They didn't ask rectangular, they asked only parallelogram. Yes, easy. If opposite sides are equal, it can be a rectangle or it can be a parallelogram. No, if they ask only rectangle means you have to prove that each one is 90 degrees, which is not possible here. So, for did not understand from the beginning, slowly I will say listen. In these two triangles, children, BC and AD are equal opposite sides. 1 and 2 are equal alternate. BQ and PD are equal given. By SAS, this both are congruent. By CPCT, this and this are equal. Same way, this and this are equal parallelogram. 3 and 4 are equal alternate. BQ is equal to DP given. So by SAS, these both triangles are also congruent. So these both sides are also equal. These sides are equal. These sides are equal. These sides are equal. This sides are equal. This side is equal. Here we put. Here. This side is equal. Here we put. As opposite sides are equal, APCQ is a parallelogram. As opposite sides are equal, APCQ is a parallelogram. As opposite sides are equal, APCQ is a parallelogram. Very fantastic something. Very fantastic something. I hope you people understood, children. Slowly you try to listen, children. Later you can see the video and you can copy. Immediately I will send the video, children, after the class, so that you can immediately have, you can practice whatever sums I am saying, children, every day. Practice 3-4 times, then only you will remember. If not, same like triangles, you will forget. Every chance is there to forget. Later, don't feel sad if you forget. 10th question, children. Once you understood 9th question, 10th question is very, very easy, children. 10th question they give like this. What is 10th question they gave? A, B, C, D. Try to understand, children. BD is the diagonal. BD is the diagonal. And what does they give? AP is a perpendicular. What does they give? CQ is a perpendicular. AP is a perpendicular. CQ is a perpendicular. Given. I'm writing given here, children. Please all of you listen. ABCD is a parallelogram. First one they said that ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, fantastic. No problem will be there here. AP and CQ are perpendicular, CC. Of course, AP and CQ are perpendiculars. Perpendicular means what, children? 90 degrees. Perpendiculars we can call it as 90 degrees, normal or height. Altitudes. Perpendiculars we can say altitude, we can say height, we can say 90 degrees, and we can say normal also in physics. Okay, children, leave it. And required to prove. I'm writing required to prove here. Required to prove. What is required to prove? First one is we have to prove that APB is congruent to CQD, and second proof is AP is equal to CQ. Anyone wants to say, or shall I say, children? Anyone wants to say? Very easy something. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. We have to prove. Anyone wants to say, or shall I say, children?
Sir, I will say.
Who will say?
Neeraj.
Yeah, very good, Neeraj. So this triangle and this triangle you have to prove congruent. Yes, Neeraj. Tell. First one.
Angle APB is equal to angle CQD.
Wait, 1 second. Angle, you are saying angle P is equal to angle Q, 90 degrees you want to say.
Sir.
Okay. First one you want to say that. That one you want to say? Okay, no problem. He's saying that angle P is equal to angle Q, 90 degrees given. Fantastic. First one, good start. This is 90 degrees.
AP is equal to PD.
No, they didn't give that AP is equal to PQ. They didn't give that. Okay. I will say here is another. One more angle you want to say means angle 1 is equal to angle 2, you can say children. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 interior alternate angles of AB parallel to CD. Children, AB and CD are parallel to children. So 1 and 2 will become alternate angles. Okay children? Yes? No sir, we didn't understand this. I am sure you see here children. All of you please see here. Understanding is very important. Okay. So children, like this is there. No? I'm saying this angle equal to this angle. How sir you will say? How means it? You see children, how means it? If I remove this side, see now, they are becoming alternate angles. That's what I'm saying. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, interior alternate angles because these both are parallel. Who both are parallel? AB is parallel to CD. And last one, anyone wants to say? One thing is there. Anyone wants to say? One
Sir,
thing
AB
is
is equal to AC, sir.
very good. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now, what is the condition, children? Congruency condition? Angle
AAS.
side
AAS.
by AAS condition, children. We can say APB is congruent to CQD. Now, by CPCT, all sides and all angles are equal. Therefore, in the same way, AP will be equal to CQ. AP will be equal to CQ means altitudes are equal, heights are equal, altitudes are equal. 90 degrees means altitudes. So that's so simple. Those who did not understand, again I'm saying angle P is equal to angle Q, 90 degrees given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate angles of what? AB parallel CD. AB is equal to CD because in parallelogram opposite sides are always equal, always equal, always equal, always equal. Okay, children, I hope you understood, children. Very, very easy sum that is. Okay, so even CPCT also very easy sum. Next, children.
Sir, we can say that AB is equal to CD as their opposite side is a parallelogram, no, sir?
Yeah, that's what I wrote here. I wrote no, right? Opposite sides of parallelogram, I wrote no. What is it? Next one, children. 11 sum, children. Or if you go to 11 sum is also very interesting sum, children. 11 sum, very, very interesting sum. But you should concentrate, children, because it's a 3D figure. No, you should not get confusion. All of you see cons with full concentration in your textbook and even my figure on the board, children. Here one triangle I'm drawing, children. Here one triangle I'm drawing, children. Please see here. This both I'm joining. Next, this both I'm joining. This both I'm joining, children. So what is the question? ABC. Children, this is A, this is B, this is G. Okay, and this is D, this is E, this is F. Given, children. What is given? What is given, children? There. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABC and DEF. He's saying AB is equal to D. He's saying AB is equal to D. And he said AB is parallel to D. Very good. He's saying BC is equal to EF. And BC is parallel to EF. He said BC is parallel to EF. Okay, children, that's all. Now required to prove. Oh, so many proofs are there. Required to prove. He's asking first to prove ABED is parallelogram. He's asking to prove. Then he's asking to prove BEFC is parallelogram. He's asking to prove. Then AD is parallel to EF. He's asking to prove. Then AD is equal to CF. He's asking to prove. CF, children, sorry, CF. And he's also asking us to prove that ABC is congruent to DEF. This many questions are there. Okay, children. So please try to understand, children. Very, very easy sum, children. Even though they're confusing us. AB is equal to D. AB is equal to D. Okay, forget about all the lines, children, for some time. I'm removing all the lines so that you will not be having any confusion for some time. Again, AB is equal to D and AB is parallel to D. AB is parallel to D. Okay, children. And BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. And also he's saying that BC is parallel to EF. This is both are parallel. Okay, children. Now we're drawing. Now we understood that, children. Okay, children. So simple, children. First one I'm saying only one step you will get it, children. AB is equal to E by given. AB is parallel to DE. Why? Given. Children, important condition. If opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. If opposite sides are equal and parallel, If opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Directly we can say. Then it is a parallelogram. That's all. You need not to prove anything. So A, B, E, D is a parallelogram. First proof is over. No need to do anything, children. First proof is over. No, sir, we didn't understand it. Second proof I will show children. Easily you understand. BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. Children, BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. What is this? Opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Parallel.
So what we can write? BCFE is also parallelogram. Over, children. That's it. BCFE is also parallelogram. Children, this is equal, so this is a parallelogram. This is equal and down one is there, no down one, that is also parallelogram. Okay, children. Over, children. You're getting convinced, children. Next. So, children, try to understand now. Try to understand. Next step, children. Next step. Here I want to write actually. Okay. Next, we have to prove that AD is equal to DF and AD is parallel to CF. Children, try to understand, children. Okay, slowly I'm saying this is a parallelogram. So this and this are equal. This is a parallelogram. So this and this are equal. Try to understand. Try to understand. First, only see upper one. A, D, E, F. In A, D, E, V, children, AD is equal to BE because it is a parallelogram. In B, E, F, C, BE is equal to CF because it is also parallelogram. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. So these both are equal. That's all. No, sir, we didn't understand. Answer C here. AD and BE are equal. AD is equal to BE and AD is parallel to BE. In the same way, children. In the same way, BE is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF because we proved it as parallelogram, no, children. That's why. And BE is parallel to CF. Children, this is equal to this. This is equal to this. So AD is equal to CF. And AD is parallel to BE, BE is parallel to CF, so AD is parallel to CF. AD is parallel to CF. Because AD and CF are equal and parallel, I can say back on ADFC also parallelogram. Please mute your audios. Children, understood all of you? Because this is a parallelogram, children, because this is a parallelogram, because this is also a parallelogram, children, now AC and DF are equal. Because this is a parallelogram, AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. Okay, we prove AB is equal to DE, already they gave. BC is equal to EF, down one. BC is equal to DF, already they gave. By SSS, ABC is congruent to DE. Yeah, all are over, children. Slowly I will say, children, guys, don't get confusion, children. This equal, this parallel. So A, D, E is a parallelogram over. Again, this equal, this parallel. So down one is also parallelogram over. Because this is a parallelogram, AD is equal to BE. Because down one is also parallelogram, BE is equal to CF. Therefore, AD is equal to CF. Okay. AD is parallel to BE, BE is parallel to CF, so AD is parallel to CF. That's why ADFC is also parallelogram. Because it is a parallelogram, DF is equal to AC. DF is equal to AC. DF is equal to AC. This they give. This they give by SSS. This both are congruent. Third side, we prove, children, congruent. Hence, both the triangles are congruent. Okay, children, please put the video and do each sum three times. Then only you will understand. Very, very important sum. If you have any doubt, again I will say tomorrow, children, in the same topic. Okay.